Hi, welcome or welcome back. I'm Tish, and today I have a haul. I'm excited. All right, so I've collected a couple of packages for the last week, and I'm just gonna do them all in one video. So the first thing I actually just got today. I went to the Walgreens on the way home and I got some stuff. All right, so the first thing I got was the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. My friend Robin's been telling me about that. I want to try it out. The second thing I got was the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. Figure might as well give that a try as well. And I have heard so much about the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I had to go pick some up. I got the Hydrating Camo Concealer in Light Peach, and I hope that works. We shall find out. And then they had buy one, get one 50% off on these new Impress press-on manicure nails. And I mean, I don't have nails, and I don't normally paint my nails. Those are pretty. Figure I'd give them a try. I mean, the worst thing that's going to happen is I'm going to struggle with them on, and I'll have to take them off, right? Right. All right, so we're not going to drop everything. We are not going to drop everything. We're going to put this stuff over here real quick. Now, the second thing I'm going to show you is, okay, so this is LeLePosh. Now, there's actually a story behind this, and there is a reason I did not open this yet. So, I did a little mini haul from LeLePosh not too long ago, and when I did the video, my only issue was that the owner hadn't gotten back to me when I emailed her about a broken shade. She actually saw the video and immediately got in contact with me, and she apologized, and she said, I didn't get an email from you. And then she looked into her spam folder, and my email had gone to spam because, you know, that's my luck. And so she didn't get it, and she felt so bad. And I was originally just going to ask for the one shade to be replaced, but she refunded my money from my first order, from the shade that I had ordered that had broken. And then she gave me a $10 credit for her store so that I could replace the one shade, and then I could get a couple extra shades as well. And so that is what this order is. Now, I did not open it because I wanted to show how well she actually does package her products. And now I'm going to struggle on camera to open this because I didn't think that far ahead. All right. I mean, if we have to, we can just edit out the struggle, right? All right. Cut along there. Cut along there. So this is what you see when you open the box. And I got her card. I don't even know if that's going to focus. And I will obviously link her shop in the description. Oh, that is so sweet. She says, Tisha, hey lovely, I'm going to be out of town till Monday night, so I added a backup of radioactive just in case UPS breaks it again, so you didn't have to wait. And I upped it to 2-day shipping. Thank you for giving me a second shot, Love Nina. That is just so sweet. And what's funny is I actually just made another order. This one might have been, you know, a lot bigger than what I've been ordering. All right, so she's got these packed all around. Oh, wow. And then we open that up. Here, let me put this over here. And we have this package. So we open that. And it is bubble wrapped and taped. And I'm never getting this open. Well, let's see. Let's see before we just give it up for a loss here. Let's try to get it open. Tape. So she packages these really, really well. And that's part of the reason I felt so bad complaining about the broken shade, is because it wasn't like she just threw it in a box and said, well, you know, whatever you get, you get. You know, she packages her product, and then of course, you know, UPS decides whether it's going to be nice to your box or not. And of course, everybody's getting boxes now, so UPS probably not so happy about having to deliver all of these subscription boxes to everybody and their orders, and I am sure that they are just so highly upset with the whole makeup community. All right. I kind of got that. And this is how your shades come. And I think that she actually sent more than she was supposed to, because I ordered 3 shades. And she said she ordered or sent 2 of the radioactive just in case UPS decided to be mean with my orders. All right. And this one is intact. And so is this one. I actually ordered new palettes. Oh wow, yeah, that is so much better than the one I tried to fix. Oh, that is so bright. All right. Let's see if I can get this open. The next one I ordered is that shade there, and it is purple. Oh, I can't wait for my new magnetic. Wow. Oh yeah, that is everything. Oh my gosh. What was I saying? Oh, I can't wait for my magnetic palette to come in so I can put all of these together in the same palette. Sorry, I was distracted by sparklies. And this is the next one I ordered. And it is in the shade Mad Love. I'm absolutely in love with LeLePosh products. Not one shade has been disappointing, like, at all. Oh, so pretty and sparkly. And I'm gonna put all this on my face and be happy, happy, happy. All right, this one is extra. I didn't order this. She threw in an extra for me. Oh, she threw in that, and that is called Dime Piece. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh man, I love LeLePosh products. I've yet to be disappointed in one of her products. These are so beautiful, and thank you so much, Nina, for sending me the extra shade and then making sure that I was covered if UPS decided to be jerks to my box again. Oh, wow. Oh. I just can't. I can't wait to play with all of that. And then I have another order coming in, and I have a new addiction. My new addiction is definitely LeLePosh. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yep. Oh. And I'm all befuddled and I can't speak. Those are such gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous shades. Oh, wow. Okay. I mean, nothing can compare to that. But we have two more things to show. I should have showed the LeLePosh last. All right. So I got my first two Juvia's Place palettes, and I couldn't help myself. I had to order another one, so I got the Nomad palette. And I'm super excited to play with this. Is this all nice and grungy? It's got the plastic cover. And those are the shades. And there's that yellow is got little sparklies in it. Ooh. And I just dug the little plastic piece right into that yellow that I'm so excited about. That's awesome. All right, I'm not going to swatch that because I have a few more things that I may or may not have spent some money on. All right. So the last thing is from Profusion. And I've never tried Profusion, but my friend Stacy at Flawed and Fabulous said that Profusion was pretty good. So I got the Frostbite 35 shade palette. And those are the shades. And it has a mirror. And I don't want to take the plastic off. But those are the shades. I'm on the search for a nice grungy green. This is textured. That's interesting. All right. I'm going to take that, put that over there, because I also ordered 2 more palettes because they had some interesting looking greens in them. And I really am searching for the right green. I want to find it. All right, so that is the palette, the shades on the back. There's no mirror, but I really don't care. What I wanted was those greens. Looks like it's got some glitters in there. I don't know how well the glitters will work, but it's a good mix of mattes and shimmers. So that's the Sun-Kissed 35 shade palette. And then I also had to get the Paradise 35 shade palette. And those are the shades on the back. And this one is taped shut. So let's struggle with that a minute. Nope. Get off my finger. All right. And of course, again, there's no mirror, but there are some good greens right over here. Oh, and some purples. I like the purples too. Oh yeah, I can't wait to play with these. Oh yeah. This one has some good purples too. All right, so that's my haul. That's what I've been spending money on. All right. If you like hauls, if you like my video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you don't like hauls or you don't like my video, go ahead and give me a thumbs down. If you'd like to stick around, join the family, see what else I can find to provide myself with some retail therapy, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, become part of my family. All right, so I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.